Hey, welcome to Corbellic Studios. Today I want to talk about why it's okay where not everybody's meant to make it, all right? Not everybody's meant to be a high achiever. Everybody's not meant to be a millionaire. Not everybody has dreams and goals. Not everybody has these high aspirations. And that's totally fine because there has to be some people out there that's going to be cleaning up the trash. There's going to be some people out there that's going to be serving you the Burger King bags. There's some people out there who's going to be the janitor. There's some people out there who's either going to be the nurses who's cleaning up the homes, or your family members, or even bringing people back. There's going to be some people who have to be in these type of positions in order to keep society going, and that's perfectly fine. Look, I have to get in a mindset where we don't judge, right? We don't judge wherever people are at. When I was younger, I had to accept the fact that not everybody learns at the same level as me, but not everybody also is going to have these high expectations or high goals, and that is fine. I don't want people to get down on themselves and feel like you have to be a high achiever or you have to have these high goals like everybody else in order for you to be feeling adequate in your life. I'm a true believer that we're all creators. The God is inside of all of us, and that we all have a genius level that's inside of us. We just have to find the genius of whatever it is. Some people learn at different levels. Some people learn visually. Some people learn by actually physically doing it. And some people learn by actually just reading about it. Hell, there's some people out there who even have to learn by learning that the sky is blue by reading it in a book compared to visually seeing it. I mean, there's different levels to it, and that's totally fine. I'm not judging anybody. But my course and my teachings is what I'm teaching is for hustlers, all right? It's for people who have hit these brick roads in their life and that they are tired of being the same. They are tired of being a status quo of whatever the normal is. And they want you to be the status quo so that way you don't have control in your life and they have more control over your life. But the only way that you can free yourself, the only way that you can take care of your family, the only way that you can really break free is to make sure that you have the money, okay? It's all about the money. Anybody else who says that it's not about the money, they're lying to you so that way you can stay broke, or maybe they're not lying to you and they're just broke themselves and they're so disingenuous and they're so jaded by the world and society that they're just saying that it's not about the money and they don't even know what they're talking about because they never came upon money, all right? But the way how you're going to free yourself, the way that you're going to have power is that you're going to have the money. But I'm not judging people where we can't save everybody. And a lot of times we'll come across people in our lives who will get frustrated, right? And they'll get frustrated because you're trying to make them be something that they're not. Like you ever have some information or something, right? Or you ever have something where even it's a video and it has the proof, or you even have something and then you try to convince somebody of this. Well, look at this video, look at that, don't you see it right there? And they'll still be like fighting you on what they see or what they don't see, and it's not worth it. So never really try to push an idea or never try to push success on other people. It only is going to resonate with people who are ready to hear the message. It's only going to resonate with people in due time. That's why everybody in my coaching program, everybody helps each other and everybody's at a high frequency. Everybody's at a high frequency where they are motivated, they are hustlers, they are getting the money. They are getting the money because we are already at that mindset. We're basically we're our own tribe. So as long as you're being yourself, as long as you are being authentic, as long as you are putting yourself out there, you're going to find your own tribe, and you don't have to force a message. It's okay for other people to not learn at the same level as you. It's okay for people to not be a hustler, all right, or not be successful. Everybody is not meant to be along in the journey. If they were, then everybody would be a millionaire. Everybody would just be a billionaire. Everybody would just have, just be super successful. But that's not how the world works. We have to be realistic. We have to have these conversations because this is the truth. And the more that we have these conversations and we talk about the truth, the more that we're able to all kind of hit our goal of what it needs to be, but also we could be confident and we could be comfortable with leaving the old frequency behind or leaving those behind who aren't part of your tribe. And it's okay. It's okay. You're not meant to come along with me on this journey in the tribe. It's okay. And then maybe It's a self-filter as well too for those who aren't successful in that journey, where they filter themselves out because they're going to be uncomfortable to be like, I'm not trying to be successful. I just like cleaning up the trash. I like cleaning up the toilets. I like cooking your food. I like nursing and taking care of your family members. I like being in the service industry. All right. And if they're fine with that, then that's fine too. You have to accept them where they're at. Don't be frustrated with people who aren't at the same success levels, or at least trying to achieve the same success levels, because they're already having in their mind that they're not capable of doing it. They already have it in their mind that they're not able to be successful. But look, if you are here watching this video right now, then God placed you here. You were here for a reason. Your frequency was meant to be here. The reason that you're watching this video, and at least you made it this far of being able to focus in and watch the rest of this video, is because you're supposed to be here. You're part of the tribe. You were a go-getter. This makes sense to you. The only people that are being successful in this program, the only people that are really making the sales and making the money, is because this makes sense to them in their life. This is their frequency. This is their tribe. The other tribe, the other people who aren't go-getters, the other people who aren't working hard, don't spend your energy of you being a hustler and you making the money to try to save them. You can't save them, okay? That's one of the things that I had to learn early in my life, and I would have saved so much time, and I would have saved so much energy just knowing that I can't convince people to think like me. I can't convince people to work as hard as me, even though I worked my butt off. But if you do want to pretend that you're part of the tribe, then I know what it looks like where you're really part of the tribe. I know what it really looks like if you're actually trying, and if you're actually dedicated to your craft, if you're dedicated to your business, if you're dedicated to yourself and you're disciplined, you're showing up, you're doing the work. I know what it looks like, and that's all I wanted to say on that. So it's okay. Not everybody's supposed to come to the party. Not everybody's supposed to be in the party. Some people in the party are actually supposed to be the ones serving you the lobster, serving you the drinks, serving you the caviar. That's their job, all right? We don't look down on these people. They're the same as us. They're humans just like us. But hey, maybe they could be the best lobster server. Maybe they could be the best toilet cleaner. Maybe they could be the best chef, and they're cooking for us. That's fine. That's where you're meant to be. You're not supposed to be at the winner's circle. You're not supposed to be at the success table. It takes a lot of hard work. It takes dedication. It takes sacrifice. A lot of people aren't willing to do the sacrifice. They want to do the bare minimum, and there's nothing that you can do to try to force them to raise their frequency. The more that you're trying to force other people's frequency who don't want to go there, the more that you're going to lower your frequency. So don't lower your frequency. Save yourself, save your energy. Don't force people into your frequency and into your beliefs, into your ideas. Don't debate people. Don't argue. Don't go back and forth. Don't go down. It's okay where they're at, because it's only after you've been through a lot, and after you ate enough mud, after you've been through enough situations, then life will eventually always show itself to you. I always say success comes in its own timing, or even the truth comes at its own timing, because as long as you keep forcing the truth on somebody, as long as you keep forcing the success on somebody, then you're just going to be hindering them more and more and more. You're not giving them time to be jaded by life, or to go through their situations that they have to learn from, where they're like, you know what, I hit rock bottom and I'm done. I mean, look, me in my life, I was able to be successful because I've been through too many situations and too many times where I hit rock bottom. But if I was in my earlier years, and I've had someone like me probably try to tell me the right things, and I wasn't mature yet for the mindset, or I wasn't in the frequency yet, I wouldn't listen to any of it. I would hear it, but I wouldn't listen to it. I'm like, I'm gonna do my own thing, and I'm gonna try to serve two masters. Can't serve two masters. Let them be where they're at, and the ones who are meant to hear the message, the ones who are meant to be here, then that's fine. So that's what I wanted to say right there. It's okay. It's okay where you want something more for your life and others don't. There's nothing you can do about it. Not everybody's built the same, just like everybody doesn't create art the same. But we're on our own mission. We're on our own frequency. We're creating art. We're creating money. We're making our sales. We have our resellers and collectors. we have our business, all right? So I just wanted to have that quick message right there, tell you about that. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if this makes sense to you, or if you're over there still trying to force frequencies on other people, all